All right. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Waalaikumsalam warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
All right. Good morning, 6C. Today we're going to review, continue our discussions to Unit 5 until Unit 7. Before we start, let's say Basmalah.
Bismillahirrahmanirrahim.
All right. So, Unit 5 is about second conditionals. Unit 6 is about showing possessions and phrasal verbs. And Unit 7 is about relative clauses and either or, neither nor. Now, let's go to Unit 5. Unit 5, the second conditionals. Do you still remember what second conditionals are for?
Yeah.
What for? Okay, second conditional sentences have two clauses. The first one, the if plus the past simple, that's the condition clause. And the would plus verb 1, that's the result clause. The condition clause and the result clause, right?
Condition.
Is the condition real?
No.
No, the condition is not real. The condition in the second conditional sentence is the opposite of the reality, right?
Yeah.
The opposite of the reality. So if this is the opposite of the reality, will you ever get the result? No, right? You won't ever get the result because the condition is not real. Okay. Okay, just like this. Number 27. I don't have a 3D printer. That's the real situation, right? The real situation is I don't have a 3D printer. But if I blah 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 a 3D printer, I blah 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 lots of toy cars. What's the fill in the blank? 6C.
D. C. D. 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 D.
Uh,
D. Had and would print.
yes, it had and would print. That's right. The opposite of the real situation. See, the real situation is don't have, and the second conditional use had. So if this is a negative sentence, you have to change it into a positive sentence and change it into the past. Use past simple. Past simple and would plus verb 1. Past simple. Past simple, would plus verb 1. Like that. Okay? Now, can you print lots of toy cars?
Yes.
Yes. Can you print lots of toy cars?
No.
No, you can't.
Yes.
No, because you don't have the
Oh, you have
3D
to do it one by
printer.
one.
Huh?
Oh,
What is
wait,
it?
no. Nothing.
Yeah. You cannot print lots of toy cars because you don't have the 3D printer, right? That's the real situation. But if I had a 3D printer, I would print lots of toy cars. Okay, number 28. If people follow the pattern, the past simple and would plus verb 1. Which one is it?
If people build A.
Yes, it is A. If people built colonies on the moon, I wouldn't want to live there. Like that. Built, past simple, and would plus verb 1. Right? Okay. Number 29. If he blah 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 the president of our country, he blah 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 us to a chaos. Past simple, would plus verb 1. Which one is it?
Where
It's
and would
C.
lead. C.
Yes, that's right. It's C. Past simple, would plus verb 1. Right? All right. Next, and next leg, you need to make the second conditional sentences based on the situations given. Okay, this is the real situation. Herman doesn't drink soda, so he is very healthy. What's the second conditional sentence?
If he drank soda, he wouldn't be very healthy.
Yes, you find the opposite, right? This one is a negative sentence, so you must find the positive sentence. If it is not B, it's D. But remember, the second condition is always in past simple, right? So it's D. Look at this. This is negative. This is positive. And in the past simple. Yeah, that's the key, 6C. All right, number 31. The real situation is they don't have a lighter, so they can't light the campfire. That's the real situation.
D.
Real situation.
D.
What's
If
the,
they had a lighter, they would light the campfire.
which one is it?
C.
It's C. Yes, the opposite of this. This is negative, this is positive, right? Okay, good. If they had a lighter, they could light the campfire, but they don't have it, so they can't light it, right? Number 32. Fikri is rich. His 5 children have their own sports cars. Which one is the second conditional sentence?
B.
It's,
B.
B.
yeah, it's B.
B.
Good. So, it must be the opposite of this one, yeah? Fikri is rich if he weren't rich. What about A?
A.
A,
If
the second clause are the same, yeah?
they'll have their
Yeah, you have
own
to
car.
make it negative. This is positive, you have to make it into negative. This is also positive, you have to make it into a negative because it's the opposite of the real situation, right? If the real situation is negative, you have to change it into positive to make the second conditional sentence. If the real situation is positive, then you have to change it into negative sentence to make a second conditional sentence like that. Okay, 60? Easy, yeah?
Yep,
Oh,
easy.
okay, any questions about this, Unit 5?
No.
No? Okay,
No.
let's continue on to Unit 6. My life at school. Okay, here you need to rewrite sentences using apostrophe s or apostrophe only to show possessions. And yeah, you need to complete sentences using possessive adjectives or possessive pronouns. What are possessive adjectives? Possessive adjectives are my, your, our, their, her, his, and its. Right? What about possessive pronouns? Possessive pronouns are mine, yours, ours, theirs, hers, his, and its. So the possessive pronouns use s. Most of them. Not all of them, but most of them. Right?
Both of them.
Okay. Now, the number 33. You need to rewrite the sentence using apostrophe S. I've seen the commercial of the newest BMW. How do you do it?
I've seen the commercial of the newest BMWs. C. C. C.
Yes, it is Shizaki. Good.
C.
Yeah, you put the one after off first. Yeah, you put this one first. After that, this one. You put this one first, add an apostrophe S, and after that, this one. Okay, so you get, I've seen the news BMW's commercial like that. Okay, if you answer it like this, it's not rewriting, guys. A is not rewriting. B is totally wrong. Okay. Okay, number 34. The sun hat of Miss Idris is made of straw.
D.
Miss Idris' sun hat is made of straw.
The sun
Yeah.
hat of Miss
D.
Idris is made of
D.
straw.
That's not rewriting, Fan. So
Sun hats of Miss
D.
Oh yeah.
Idris.
D.
just like Fan's hair, the hair of Fan becomes Fan's hair. The glasses of Fan becomes Fan's glasses. The nose of Fan becomes Fan's nose. Okay, just like this. So the answer is
D.
it's A, guys. Why B? It's A. Yes, because Idris is a name. Yeah. The only one that doesn't use apostrophe S is plural with S. Plural with S. Okay, if it is a name that ends with an S, you still use apostrophe S. Okay? You still use apostrophe S for name that ends in S. But
Excuses.
if the what is it? The one that you add apostrophe S is a plural that ends in an S, then don't add an S, only the apostrophe, okay? Like friends, girls, the boys, okay? You only add apostrophe, do not add an S. Okay, 60?
Okay.
All right. Number 35. Excuse me, can you help me find blah 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 cell phone? I've lost it.
Mine.
My.
Yes, the answer is my.
Okay.
Why? Because there is a noun here. Yeah, if there is a noun after the gap, then the answer must be my or possessive adjective. Yeah, possessive adjective. Okay, but if it's like number 36, it's not theirs, it's blah 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 blah. We bought it yesterday. What's the answer?
Ours.
It's ours. Yes. It's not theirs, it's ours. We bought it yesterday, like that. We don't have a we don't have a noun here, right? After the blank. So we need to use a possessive pronoun
Noun.
like this, ours or theirs. But the answer is ours. Yeah. Okay, 60?
Okay.
Okay.
Okay. So that's showing possessions. Now, phrasal verbs. How many phrasal verbs are there that you have learned? There are 12 phrasal verbs. Yes. And I have given the meanings and also the example of the sentences to you, right? Mm-mm. You have to memorize all the meanings of the phrasal verbs, of the 12 phrasal verbs, right?
12 phrasal verbs.
Okay. Now, number 37. I can't quit now. The finish line is close by. I must?
Keep on.
Keep on.
Yeah,
Keep
I
on.
must keep on running. That's right. What does keep on mean?
I must like keep running.
Yeah.
Continue doing something.
Yeah, continue. That's right. Keep on means to continue doing something. I must continue running. What does give up mean? What does give up mean?
Give up running.
Give up
Stop,
the
stop
meaning?
doing what you're doing.
Yeah, stop trying. Give up means to stop trying. What does break-in mean?
Breaking something.
Break-in that. Break-in means
A robber.
yeah,
Robber breaking in your house.
yeah, entering something, enter a house illegally, right? A house or a building or maybe something else illegally.
Illegally.
Yeah. What does take up mean? Take up means
I don't know.
take up means to
A
start
shower.
something like this. I've taken up golf. I've taken up Spanish. I've taken up what else? The violin, like that. It means that you start doing it. Okay, and it it becomes your new hobby maybe. Okay, number 38. When should we blah 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 the report for this project to the teacher? Which one is it? Is it take up,
Uh,
look after, handout, or
hand in.
And in.
yes, to hand in. And here you go, teacher. Yeah, to hand in is to give something to the authority, right? And what does look after mean?
Look for something.
Not quite.
Looking for something.
Look
To be
after means
responsible,
to,
I think.
yes, to take care of something or someone. Yeah, that's look after. To take care of something or someone. What does handout mean? Handout means
Like giving something.
to distribute. Yes, you have a lot of those things, and you distribute them like that. To distribute. Okay. And number 39, he has to blah 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 his little brother, so he must stay at home.
Look after.
Yeah, he has to look after his little brother, so he must stay at home. Right. What does look forward to mean? Look forward to means very excited about something, right?
Something.
Yeah. What does put up mean? To put something on a higher level, like put your hands up, like that, right? What does figure out mean?
Solving something.
Yeah, to solve something. That's right.
Problems.
So, yeah, to understand the meaning of a phrasal verbs, actually you have to look at the whole sentence, yeah, not only the phrasal verbs itself, but also the whole sentence, because a phrasal verb can have a different meaning when it is put in a different sentence, like that. Just like take up, it has so many meanings, right?
Yep.
Yep. All right, now that's unit 6. Any questions about this?
No.
All right, now unit 7, going to the cinema.
Going to the cinema.
Yeah. Okay, you need to complete sentences with relative pronouns and join sentences together using the correct relative pronouns and reduce the relative clauses. All right. Yeah. Number 40. Sammy knows a man, blah, 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 brother works for the president. What to fill in the blank?
Whose.
Yeah, it's whose. It means that the brother belongs to the man, right? The brother belongs to the man. Okay, that's number 40. Number 41. My sister lost the diamond ring. Mother gave it to her. Join the sentences.
Me.
Huh?
My sister lost the diamond ring to which mother gave it to her.
Which one is it? Is it A or B?
B.
Okay. So it's the diamond ring and it, right?
A.
You have to cross out it. You have to cross it out.
A.
Yeah, and you change
A.
it into which. So you get which mother gave to her, yeah? And you join them together into A. My sister lost the diamond ring which mother gave to her. Yeah, don't say the same object for the second time. Okay?
Miss, how many questions are there?
In the test, there are 40.
Oh my God.
Okay, number 42. Marie Curie, who was a physicist and a chemist, do you know her? Won a Nobel Prize twice, not only once, but twice. And her family was a Nobel Prize winning family. There are 5 Nobel Prizes in the family. Can you imagine that? How smart they are. Okay. So how do we reduce this? How? Which one is the
C.
relative clause?
C.
I think A.
C.
C.
It's C? Yes,
I
it
don't
is
know.
C. You have a relative pronoun and a is, are, was, were. Just cross them out, okay? Cross both of them out. You have a relative pronoun and a is, are, was, were. Cross them out. So you get Marie Curie, a physicist and chemist, won a Nobel Prize twice. Ooh, okay. So continue on to either or, neither nor.
Either or, neither nor.
Yep. Now, complete the sentences using either or neither nor.
Neither nor.
I'm glad that I didn't have a nightmare last night. My dream was blah 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 spooky.
Neither.
Neither nor.
Was my dream spooky?
No.
Was my dream scary?
No.
No.
So it was neither
No.
spooky
Neither
nor okay, it was neither spooky nor scary. Yes. Okay, number 44. I like blue. So you can paint my room.
Either or.
Can
Either
I paint?
or.
Can you paint my room light blue?
Or
Yes.
dark blue.
Can you paint my room dark blue? Yes. So it's either or, whichever you want. Yeah, up to you. All right, number 45. Do you know where Semarang is?
Yeah.
Yes.
Do you know where
Yes,
Cirebon and Tegal are?
Yeah.
Yes.
I think
Yes. Did you know that Cirebon and Tegal are between Jakarta and Semarang?
yes.
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 I think
So what's the answer for this? The train doesn't stop between Jakarta and Semarang. It stops
Either in Cirebon or
either
Tegal.
or.
Either or.
Like I said before, did you know that Cirebon and Tegal are between Jakarta and Semarang?
Yep.
Yeah. So, does the train stop in Cirebon?
No. Yeah.
No, I think
I don't know, Miss.
I don't know.
no.
I don't even know
Cirebon?
what Tegal is.
I don't even know Cirebon and
Yeah, me
Tegal.
too, Fan.
Really?
I don't know where Indonesia is.
I don't know even what is Cirebon and Tegal.
You've never traveled around Java?
No.
What?
Yes,
Cirebon is
I just
I don't
go
know
to
what
Jakarta.
Cirebon and Tegal is.
I don't know is Tegal. Where is Tegal?
Yeah.
Tegal? I
Cirebon
don't
is
even know
in
what Tegal is.
Cirebon is in West Java and Tegal is in Central Java. And they are between Jakarta and Semarang. If you go to Semarang by car, you will go through Cirebon, Tegal, what else? Tasikmalaya, etc.
Brebes.
Yes,
Oh,
that's
uh,
right.
Cirebon is in West Java, mate.
Yes.
Okay.
Semarang is in Central Java. Okay, so Cirebon and Tegal are both between Jakarta and Semarang. So, does it stop in Cirebon?
yes.
Oh,
No, it doesn't stop in Cirebon.
the,
Does it stop in Tegal? No, it doesn't
yes.
stop in Tegal. So, stops neither in Cirebon nor Tegal. Like that. Okay.
You
Okay,
just
I
blow
know
up
this
my
because
mind.
I travel a lot during
Miss,
my,
Miss,
huh?
can you not make the question like this, Miss, at the test?
Of
Because I do
course
not know,
not.
Miss.
Of course not. I will make it simple, right? This is just for your knowledge, okay? Okay, 6C. That's unit 7. Do you have any questions about it?
No,
No.
I just
No?
confused about the train that don't stop between Jakarta and
All right. So,
Because you never go to anywhere.
yeah, I travel because my grandparents were in Yogyakarta, so I travel a lot to Central Java. Not anymore though. Okay, 6C. In your test, there will be clues, but the clues won't be in bold letters, yeah, because I cannot. The Google form does not allow us to make bold letters or italic letters like that. Okay, so you have to find the clues yourself. Be careful, yeah.
Yes.
Okay. What else am I trying to say? Yes, and you will get the recording of our video today, our meeting today, so that you can rewatch our discussions, and then you will also get the answer key for the review, and you will also get the review paper again if you want to print it out. If you haven't, and if you want to print it out again. Okay, 60.
Okay, Miss.
Okay. Good luck on your test, yeah. Prepare yourself well. There are 40 numbers and you have plenty of time to do it. Don't rush yourself. Okay?
Okay,
Okay.
Miss.
Okay. Good luck on your test. Let's say Alhamdulillah.
Alhamdulillah.
Alhamdulillahirabbil
Alhamdulillah.
alamin. Thank you so much for today. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Waalaikumsalam warahmatullahi
Waalaikumsalam warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Bye, Sixty. Good luck. You can ask me, yeah, if you do still have questions. Bye.